Have you ever wondered if there's a smart way to manage your multiple leads from the same company when you're running your cold outreach campaign? We usually collect multiple leads from the same company, and after getting a reply when you're running a cold outreach campaign, after getting a reply of the company, you should remove all the others email from your campaign. But removing email from your campaign manually, it's going in an unaccepted way. You can't remove all the email perfectly manually, and if you want to remove, it's going to take a lot of time if you have 5, 10 or 20 email from the same company. But now you can do it. Now you can remove all the email automatically with Doplac. Doplac will remove all the email automatically from your campaign as soon as you get a reply from one of the people within the company. So it's going to help you to save your time, save your domain reputation, and especially it's going to save your daily sending limit. We know when it comes to cold outreach campaign, daily sending limit is one of the crucial things. So if you want to actually activate the option when you are designing your cold outreach campaign, when you are done with analytics, leads and sequence, under the settings section there is an option you have to turn on if you want to remove all the email from your campaign after getting a reply from the same company. Here is just click on save advanced settings, and there it is. You just have to turn on the button stop campaign from company on reply. You just turn the button on and Doplac will do the rest. Doplac will remove all the email from the same company as soon as you will get a reply from a person within the company. So it's very important. If you keep sending email from the same company after getting a reply, it's really a bad thing. It's gonna harm your company reputation, and if anyone of the company mark you as a spam manually, it's gonna harm your deliverability. It's gonna actually harm your domain reputation. So we don't actually want to harm your domain reputation, and especially when it comes to cold outreach campaign daily sending limit, it's one of the most important things. So it's gonna help you. Doplac will help you do all the things automatically. Save your time, save your daily sending limit, save your domain reputation. You have to turn the button on, and your button on, it's just everything on Doplac. Doplac will do the rest. You don't have to think about again. You don't have to go to your campaign, and you don't have to manually remove any leads from your campaign. It's all for today. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you think the features this Doplac.com offering is helpful, don't forget to check it out. And the best part is Doplac.com is completely free until June 1st, 2024. So you can utilize every single features that Doplac.com offering and check it out how it's going to help you to grow your agency.